Yeah, out. Good boy.
Go get the ball, Gracie. Hey, good boy. Ah, she's got hers.
That's what she's waiting on. She's there watching.
Oh, she picked it up. He's got that one.
Oh, yeah. That's the only one she'll pick up, though. Gracie. Gracie. You want a big one? You want a big one?
Hey, Rascal. Hi, buddy.
Where the further out.
That was so big.
I don't know how to do this. Oh,
Raylan, get a smaller ball. Oh, she's got her frisbee.
He's getting sidetracked.
Whoops. What? That was adorable. Let go. Let go, you little stinker poo. What's that? Out. 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 Yeah, like you mean it. Out, out, out. Oh, he's got some razor teeth. Hey, Rascal. Yay! Rascal, go get it. Oh, look out. Go get it.
Hey, Rascal.
Hey, Rascal. He just wants to lick me. Raylan, get that ball. Get that ball. Get the ball. How about this one? He's looking at all the toys at the end of the hall. He hasn't brought one of them back. There he goes. Which one's he going to pick? Of course. Nope. Nope. He's going for that. Ah, yay. Do you have a favorite? Yay, Gracie. I think he likes that one. Rascal's still just licking me.
Oh, you missed Gracie.
Oh, hey, Gracie.
I'll get it on my
Yay, Gracie. This is going to be a long video. I can't get him to let go. Let go. Ah. Ouch.
You caught it.
Thank you, Raylan. Let go. Out. Out. Out, 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 out. Out. Good boy. You're not such a good boy. You don't let go. Oops, I threw it, silly. It's down the hallway. I threw it. It's down the hallway.
Out, Gracie. Out.
Uh-oh. He says, I don't know where it is. Let's go get it. Raylan, come on. Let's go. Come on. Here it is. See, I told you I threw it. There you go.
Out. 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 Raylan. Now you want to play with Rascal. Out. Get Rascal. Get Rascal. Play with the baby. Rascal, hey. Hey, baby. Out.
He'll bring it back. Hey, rascal. Okay. It's like.
My frisbee. My frisbee, Gracie. My frisbee. My frisbee. Hi, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hi.
He barks with his. I wish I could do a up and down with this thing.
Go.
Where is it? Where is
I
it?
just threw it, silly boy.
Where'd it go? It's down the hallway, Raylan.
I don't have it, Adrian. Ow! No.
That's a long video.